This is a really quick video on how to set up the FreeSpeak wireless comms. Comes with a little battery charging station. This is the base station. It plugs in with a Cat 5 to the antenna splitter. That's this thing. This thing needs power. Once you power that up, you split it to the little antennas here. Each of these antennas can connect up to 5 belt packs. So if you have 20 belt packs, you need 4 of these. To connect this thing, power button, the code is all zeros, and you use these little wheels to do it. 0. Okay, so it's not taking my code, so I have to reset it. To do that, you hold menu, and this will come up. You scroll down to System Connect. D is like the enter button. You hit D. Warning, will wipe disk. Yeah, that's what you want to do. Clear that. Delete all the pairings. Okay, cool. Now, go hold menu again. Go to System Connect. And then when you just see a V, that means you haven't done the part on the base station yet. You want it to show you a P, that means it's in pairing mode. So to do that, on here you have to go to menu, go down to admin, administration, belt packs, over the air or OTA, and then here hit start OTA. And when you hit start OTA, you should see the P pop up. There it is. So I think I just hit enter, and it'll go searching, and you have to put the password in again. Okay, great, it's paired. And then it's just gonna ask you, like, what do you want to call it? I already have 2 other ones paired, so this one's gonna be number 3. And boom, that's it. By default, you get 2 channels. Channel 1 is A, channel 2 is B, and these are flash buttons if you want to flash the crew there. By default, you hear both channels mixed together at the same time. So if this one talks on A, quick push to turn it on, or you can hold it, quick push to turn on. And then so if he talks on A, I'm going to hear him without pushing anything. By default, you don't have to push anything to listen. You can change that in the settings, but these ones, you just hear both of them mixed together all the time. And you just push A or B to talk on each channel, and you do have volume control of that mix. So if you don't want to hear channel B in a pinch, you can just turn down channel B. And that's pretty much it.